Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I'm part of Everlaw's user education team. Today we'll be discussing Everlaw's Difference Viewer. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate the Difference Viewer to highlight and review differences in near duplicate groups, apply review work to some or all variants within a near duplicate group, and understand scenarios when the Difference Viewer may not be available. Let's start with accessing the Difference Viewer. Navigate to a document in the review window that has near duplicate. On the left-hand context panel, you'll see the duplicate groups. At the bottom, there will be a button to open the Difference Viewer. Now that we're here, let's break down what we're looking at. Starting at the top left, we have the reference document. By default, this is the document you were just looking at and what we will base all of the differences off of. You can always change the reference document with the document dropdown near the top left. Each box you see on the page represents an area of text that is different on another one of the documents in the duplicate group. Navigate between them by clicking or by using the up and down arrows on your keyboard. On the right side, we see variants, or how the selected text is different throughout the group. For example, in this document, there are 3 variants of this difference. In other words, in this duplicate group, there are 3 different options for what the text in this area will say. Again, you can navigate through the variants by clicking or by using the left to right arrows on your keyboard. Let's take a look at a visual to explain exactly what we're seeing. Here we have 3 documents stacked on top of each other. Document A is our reference document. For our first difference highlighted in green, 2 of the documents will have the same text in the area and 1 is different. Therefore, we have 2 variants across the 3 documents. For the second piece, our reference document has text in the highlighted section, but the other 2 documents do not contain text there. This is also considered different, so again, we have 2 variants for this difference. As you're looking through the near duplicate group, you may want to apply review work to some or all of the documents in the group. To add codes to all of the documents in the group, simply click the Modify button at the bottom of the page. This will open the coding panel where you can select review work to be added to all of your documents. Of course, you're also welcome to select specific documents from the duplicate group by using the checkboxes and then by applying review work. To round things out, we should also point out a few instances where the Difference Viewer will not be available. The first is if there are too many variants. The Difference Viewer can support up to 500 documents in a near duplicate group. If the count of document exceeds this number, you will not be able to use the viewer for that duplicate group. Another instance is if all of the duplicates are exact duplicates. Because there are no differences to view, you will only see these in the context panel, but you can still code the duplicates together using the Modify button at the bottom of the context panel in the duplicate group. The Difference Viewer is also not available for some document types that don't work well as text, like spreadsheet. That's it for this video on the Difference Viewer. If you have any questions or concerns along the way, your Everlaw contract includes access to our support team, the user community, and the training center. Thank you and have a great day.